I'm going to do a quick video just about something that I try to do this time of year, especially as we're heading, coming off the winter type months and having the spring-like weather. So jump up on the roof and we'll take a look. First, just want to make sure my ladder's secure before I head up. One of the things that I'm looking for, especially like just a couple days ago, we had very strong winds. I think we had like, they were saying like 60 to 70 miles per hour. So did any of the tabs come off my roof? I have what I call three-dimensional shingles. They call them different things nowadays. But did any of the tabs come loose there? With tabs coming loose, it allows for the potential for moisture penetration to happen. So I don't see any on this portion, but I will jump up and take a look. So up on the roof, kind of taking a look. A little bit of dirt debris. I also like to check my ventilage across the top. Sometimes they come loose, especially with the high winds on the ends. The screws or nails like to pop out depending how yours were installed. So always trying to take a look at those as well. All of them are secure. Something else I like to take a look at is roof boots. This is getting a little older. My roof was replaced in, I think it was 2012. Don't know how I remember that, but I just do. So these roof boots sometimes only last like 7 years. The sun just bakes them and mess them up. I have several on my roof just because of the bathrooms, vents there, but they all look like they're in decent shape and condition here. I have a chimney, and so something else that we try to look at from time to time, just make sure that there's not moisture getting penetration happening. It's just making sure the flashing around the chimney is secure. This is probably something that comes up a lot in home inspections, is the chimney flashing causes problems. Oftentimes it's leaking and no one realizes it. Also, if you do have a chimney, there's a cap usually. Mine looks like I could use some more caulk and reseal some of the spots here from before. And probably the least favorite thing is cleaning out the gutters. My roof was built in such a way so it was easier to jump up on the roof and clean them out. I usually actually do it from the ground and throw it into a bucket, but it's kind of what I look for. Thankfully, there's no tabs that are loose. These three-dimensional type shingles are less likely, just the way that they stick and apply there. The traditional way, or the way that homes used to be built, those tabs or the shingles tend to break off. So if you haven't, I would encourage you to go check them out. Hope you enjoyed. There's other things you'd like us to just kind of talk about that we see in home inspections and stuff like that, let us know, and we'll be happy to share.